Hello everyone, my name is Neeru. I am your computer educator. I welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes.
Now I am opening Microsoft Word. Just click over the Microsoft Word. Today in this video, I will tell you about the drawing tools. In the drawing tools, we can insert shapes, we can insert smart art, we can use the different objects. So today we will discuss about the shape. Firstly, click on the Insert tab to insert any shape. You can see here in the Insert tab in Illustration group, you can see Shape option is here. Click on the Shape option. According to your requirement, you can choose any shape. It depends upon your requirement. For example, I have taken one triangle. Here, you can see at the corner side circles and small squares are here. These are basically used to height, increase or decrease height or width. You can use any point. By using this, you can set height and width. This green color circle, that is basically used to rotate the shape. See, by using mouse, we can rotate it. This green color circle is used to rotate. Wherever you want to rotate it in any direction, you can rotate it according to your requirement. Clear? So the next thing is, if I want to move this shape from one place to any other place, you can see over the mouse pointer plus black color plus icon symbol is here. By using this, we can move this shape, or you can say object, from one place to another. Just click the mouse button and drag it, and wherever you want to drop it, just release the mouse left click. Again, I am doing the same thing. By pressing the left click, just drag, and wherever you want to place it, just drop it. Shape style. If I want to change the style of this shape, you can see here different styles are here. According to our requirement, we can take it. If I want to change the inside color of this shape, then we will go to the shape style. Shape fill option is here. This is basically used to change inside color of the shape. If we don't want to fill any color, we will use no fill. Or any other color if I want to take, go to the more color option. In color dialog box, two options are here, standard and custom. In the standard color, you can choose the color according to your requirement. See, in this one, current means at present, which color now we have used, and new, for the new one which we want to take. In the custom, you can create the new color by using the color model, or by just clicking over the any color. And if you want to make it light, go upside this scroll bar and use this scroll bar. You can see here in the new, you can see the color. When I am moving this upside, you can see the color is light, and when I am moving this arrow to the down, you can see dark color is here. And according to this, automatically red, green, blue, that is RGB model values are changed. You can type it here also. according to your requirement. And the minimum value for red, green and blue is 0 and the maximum is 255. So you can see here the new color is this one. Just click on the OK button. If I want to fill inside a picture, click on the picture option. Wherever your picture is saved, just click that folder. Which picture you want to fill inside the shape, just select that one, insert. You can see here. Now in this shape we can see I have already filled one picture here in place of color. Guardian means you can see here which guardian you want to use. You can take more guardian also. Click on the more guardian. Guardian means color combination we can use. Go to the guardian. There are some preset colors also. Go to the preset color. You can see here color combinations are here. You can change the type. You can see here preset color. Different are here. According to your requirement, you can take it. These line how you want to display: linear direction, radial direction, clear, rectangular form. So this color combination path will be changed. From here we can change preset color and here type, which type you want inside it. Direction, from which direction you want it. There are different you can use according to your requirement. If you want to change the color, you can change the color also. You can see here inside color. Same like that, you can change any color according to your requirement. See, clear? And if I want to enter some texture means pattern. Guardians means the combination of the colors. Texture means pattern. You can see here different patterns are here. According to our requirement, we can use it. Clear? So this is basically used to fill inside the shape. What we want to fill, any color, any picture, any gradient, any texture, whatever you want to fill inside the shape. Outlining means outside of the shape. You can see red color outlining I have taken. If I want to increase the width of this line, here we can increase it. And if I don't want to take the straight line, I want to take it in the dotted format. See here, I can take according to my requirement. Shape effects. If I want to give the different effects to the shape, go to the shape effect preset. You can see here all the effects you can see on the document. Here, whatever effect you want to take, just take it. And same like that, if you want to provide shadow, where you want to provide the shadow, outside, wherever you want to apply it, just apply that shadow. You can see here shadow is now displaying here. If you want to provide options, you can change the option also. If you want to change the shadow color is also there. All the things you can change it. Go to the shadow effects, reflection, glow. If you want to do that, our shape will be glow. With which color? You can use here. You can see here. So these are the different effects. If you want to rotate it in the 3D form, you want to rotate it. You can see here different rotations are here. Here, this is called shape effect. Wherever you want to rotate it in the 3D form, you can use it. If you don't want to provide any rotation, just click on no rotation. Here, if I want to write something inside the shape, then what I will do? There are two options. Just right click on it, over it. Just right click on the shape and there will be add text option. There will be add text option. From here we can do it, or you can see here also with the insert shape one option is here, added text, draw text box. Clear? So just right click on it. If I want to write it, add text. So in this you can add any text like you can see here size is very small, you can't see it. I am increasing the size. I am increasing the size. If you want to change the color, you can change the color also. You can change the color also. So if we want to change the style or provide the shadow over the text, just select the text and you can see here reflection, shadow, whatever we want to give, we can provide over here. We want to change the text color, we can change the color of the text. We want to change the style of the text, different styles. As we have already done this thing, text formatting, same like that. But if we want to change the shape, all the formatting we want to continue, but we want to change the shape only, then what we will do, we will click over here. You can see this with the insert shape. One option is here. Click on that, change shape. You can select from here whatever shape you want to take it. All the formatting will be same, but only shape will be changed. Depends upon you which shape you want to take. You can see here, I'm just moving it. Clear? So it means all the formatting, all the things will be same, but only shape will be changed. According to our requirement, we can take it. Clear? If I want to take more points over here, just click on it, edit points. You can see here, many points are here. Just use any point to change the shape of it. See. So you can see many points are here. With the help of these points, you can make any type of shape according to your requirement. You can see here, I'm just using different points. So it depends upon you how much you want. Here. So you can see here, by using these points, we can change the shape according to our requirement. This task I have done with this option, edit points. Now you can see here, this option is disabled now. So again, if I will click on the document, then these points will be disabled. Clear? You can see here, now my shape is changed. So if you want to set the position of the text, it depends upon you where you want to display it. Clear? Center, right, whatever position you want to give. If you want to give on the bottom. If I want to change the height and width of the shape, then what I will do, What I will do, I have already told you, we can use these options, these circles and square points, or the same thing we can do with this also size. You can provide the exact size to the shape, and same you can provide width to the shape. You can see here now shape is changed. I am undoing it by pressing the Ctrl plus Z. So you can use these points also, or by using this one you can change the height and width. And same like that, if you want to rotate it, you can use this green color circle, or here also rotate option is here. Clear? So you can choose from here also, flip horizontally, vertically, however you want to take. Clear? So one more thing, if I want to take more shapes, you can see here in the drawing tools, we can insert more shapes also according to our requirement. Clear? So we have taken two shapes, one is this one and second is this one. So you can see here, if I am selecting this one, so whatever changing I am doing, that will affect on this shape only. But when I will select this shape, then you can see here it will affect on this shape only. If I want to make group of both the objects, both the shape, so that whatever effect I will give, that will affect to the complete group. So we can make the group by selecting it. How we can select the two shape together? Firstly, select the one shape. Then by pressing the shift key, you can select all shapes. Firstly, again I am telling you, firstly select first shape, then by pressing shift key and mouse left click, you can select the another shape also. You can see here in the arrange group, there is option group, or there is shortcut key also, Control plus G to make the group. Now you can see here only one selection is here. Whatever I will do, either moving, either changing the color, whatever I will do, it will not apply only on the one shape, it will apply to the whole group. For example, I am changing the style. You can see here both are affecting. Why? Because now it will consider as one, because we have made one group. If again I want to ungroup it, so shortcut key also there, Control Shift G, or we can click on this option and then click on ungroup. Now you
Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will continue it in the next video. Thank you.